Hello, everyone. Welcome back to BlissHills Relationship and Marital Hub. Are you struggling to balance your career ambitions with your relationship? It's really indeed a challenge that many couples face. But the truth is, it doesn't have to be one or the other. In this video today, I'm about to share with you excellent practical steps to help you thrive in both love and in career without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, don't forget, your love life, your career are equally important. It doesn't have to be 70-30. It has to be shared 50-50. Both of them are important. All we are talking about here is how to balance them. Quickly, let's jump right in and see what we have for today's video. First and foremost, I welcome you once again. And as we kick off, I want us to see why balancing love and career is really challenging. The reasons why balancing love and career is really challenging. Balancing love and career can be tricky. And here are the reasons why it can be tricky. Number one is that because of time constraints. Long work hours can leave little time for your relationship. Long work hours, it can leave little time for your relationship if you're not careful. Number two, stress spillover. Work stress often seeps into personal life, creating tension if not well managed. Number three is that there are different priorities. What do I mean here? One partner might prioritize career while the other values quality time. It doesn't have to be, it has to be balanced. These are the things that create tension in your marriage, in your relationship. You never know about it. Now, burnout, trying to give 100% to both areas can lead to exhaustion. Burnout, when you are trying to give 100% attention to your career, 100% to your love life, it can be stressful. Proceed as we go ahead. Let's see quickly strategies. Let me show you strategies to balancing love and career. Here are some strategies that can help you to thrive in both your relationship, your love life, and also in your career. What am I talking about here? Number one, learn to set boundaries. Learn to do what? Set boundaries. Boundaries between work, boundaries for home. Make sure you balance everything. Leave work stress at the office and focus on your partner when you are at home. Don't carry your office on your head back home. Give everything their own time. Number two, schedule quality time. Sometimes plan regular date nights or short giveaways, getaways to reconnect, getaways to reconnect. Number three, communicate your schedules. Share your work commitments with your partner so they can feel involved. They can feel carried along. Share your arrangements, your plans, your commitments with them. Don't just wake up one morning and say you are on shift, you are going to work. It looks as if you don't care about your home. Number four, support each other's goals. What do we mean? Celebrate each other's wins and offer encouragement during tough times. Make sure you are always there, whether it is good and when it is bad. Number five, learn to delegate tasks. At home, anywhere, share responsibility. Even in your office, learn to share responsibilities in order to reduce burnout. Share responsibility, delegate. Everything in office must not be you. Everything at home must not be you. Learn to share responsibilities. For example, if you have a demanding job, let your partner know about your deadline. What I'm talking about here, let him know about your deadlines. Meanwhile, set aside time on the weekend for uninterrupted quality time together. Sometimes learn to share your duties, your roles with others, and then you make free times for yourself, for your love life, for your relationship, for your home. Next thing you need to know is how to manage stress together. It's very important. Learn both of you to manage stress together. Hear me, stress can create friction in your relationship, but here is how to manage it together as a team. Number one, learn to be each other's safe space. What do I mean? Allow your partner to vent without offering solution unless you are asked for solution. When it is stressed up, when it fills their head, allow them to vent. Number two, learn to practice stress relief activities together. For example, exercising together, meditate, or take evening walk to decompress as a couple, both of you. Number three, prioritize self-care. Self-care. A healthy individual creates a healthy relationship. So take care of your health too. Take care of yourself. It is when you are healthy that you can create a healthy relationship. Number four, recognize burnout signs. Watch out for them. When either of you is overwhelmed, take a break to recharge. Always be on the lookout for burnout signs. When you see these signs, take a break immediately. Now, remember, don't forget, small gestures like checking in during the day with something like a text message, making them their favorite meals can go a long way in showing your support. Sometimes text message can do the magic. Sometimes preparing for them their favorite meals, it can work out the magic. What are we talking about here? Learn to manage work, balance work and your relationship. And when there is tension, when there is stress, learn to manage it both together. Remember, balancing love and career is not easy, I know, but with intentional effort, with communication, good communication, and supporting each other, you can thrive, both of you, as husband and wife, those in relationship. Remember, your relationship and your career don't have to compete. They don't have to compete. They can complement each other, not to compete with each other. They are to complement. Your work is to complement. Your relation is to complement. If you enjoyed this video, my brothers, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe to BlissHills Relationship and Marital Hub for more relationship and lifestyle tips, and also on love and career. Please let me know in the comment section what can you say that has been a challenge you have experienced. What has been, how have you tried to balance your love life, your relationship life with your career? How have you made attempts? What are challenges you have faced that have confronted you, and how were you able to solve them? How were you able to get over them? Please let me hear from you on the comment section. I can also learn from you. You can also learn from me. And also, people will read our comments and they'll also learn from us. Please share with us if there's any way you have learned to balance between love, relationship, and career. Let us know. The Lord bless you for being with us. Congratulations. It's going to be yet a brighter season for you in your relationship, in your marriage, in the affairs of your life. Congratulations. The peace of the Lord be with you.